Hello friends, in this video I am share a real accident in front of my eyes, and the purpose of upload this video is how our mistake and life is totally ended, and everything is blur. So I am share all this story, so I hope you learn from my experience and my this observation story. So the story is started is before 1 year before 1 year me and my friend and my family in my front of house to far away 15 kilometers attend a marriage party. So we decided that at approx 8 o'clock or 7:30 o'clock we go. So so that the problem is that my friend bike is not working conditions, so we decided that in one bike we go three persons. So after 3 kilometer away, a highway is coming in our path. So we cross this highway. So after crossing highway, a single lane road is present here, and that road we go to our destinations. So when we crossing highway, then after 1 kilometers that road lots of pit present, pit like as a big pit, and I observed a far away a bike speed is like as a 70 or 80 approx is opposite side coming in front of our so so I don't know that person is not observed, or I not totally understand in what condition in that person mind. So the bike is jumped out pit and fell out. So the bike is rubbing on the roads, and the person is out of the bike. So here condition is that the bike is running, and in approx in my front of bike, but we 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 right times take a break. So my bike is inside stand. Then after the person's blooding here back side of the head, and the person's blood is totally out and out. So the condition is very hard and very I think this is a in my our experience, this is a very dangerous accident. So so we decided that in that where accidental point, a police present here to near highway. So that time our timing is very nice, and a neighbor's friends is present here. So we go, and all the conditions take all the conditions share to police, and my friends that time when accidental time he calling to ambulance. So ambulance and police both coming, firstly ambulance coming, then police coming, and the person's ambulance take and go to and go away to hospitals. So that time condition is that when person is on the roads, so uh, the blood is backside, out and out. uh, then we in when we take to help other crossing peoples, and many bike crossing. So the people is that only see away what condition, then go. So that condition, but some people is are good, that uh, that understand the problem and help to hospitalize. So I don't know. I then ambulances go, and all the condition is finished. So when we go to our function attend, so at the when we go, and our thinking is that I don't know, and our thinking is that I don't know here which person is mistake. The firstly I tell you, the person is drink totally alcohol, and totally consume alcohols, and we thinking that a big pit present here. Nobody, our government and our police to maintains that pit. And I thinking is that that they who is responsible for it, the persons, the persons which is totally consume alcohols, and the government, the not maintain pit, and the I don't know, but I learned this as accidentals, how life is short. Then I'm thinking and thinking, and we attend the function. Then after next day, the neighbor friend, we meet it, and my friends said that the person was dead at the night time. So that time I am totally, I don't know how to share to you, oh, but I feel so guilty. How life is short, and how our mistake, the life is ended, and totally black and black. Uh, so this experience is change my observation, change my way to driving the roadside, and very careful, and don't drink, don't any type of alcohol, any type of bad thing consume to driving. So I am totally feel so bad that day, uh, but we do at least mm, at least so I hope you learn something this story. So don't consume alcohol at the driving, don't any type of the consume alcohol, or cigarette, or any type of bad thinking. So I hope you understand the purpose of making this video is this point.